Stablecoins are becoming the backbone of crypto in 2026. From billion-dollar trading volume to global payments and DeFi, stablecoins are now dominating the market. But the big question is, which stablecoins are the best in 2026? Today on Token Space, we're breaking down the top 3 stablecoins you should know right now, including market analysis, price stability, liquidity, real-world adoption, and chart breakdowns. Welcome back to Token Space, your daily hub for crypto analysis, market updates, and next-generation blockchain trends. Let's jump straight into the list. First on the list is the king of stablecoins, Tether, also known as USDT. USDT continues to dominate the crypto market in 2026 with the largest stablecoin market cap in the entire industry. Its main job is simple. 1 USDT equals approximately $1. Right now, USDT is trading around the $1 mark with extremely high liquidity across Binance, Bybit, OKX, and almost every major exchange. Massive daily trading volume, highest liquidity in crypto, used heavily for futures trading, spot trading, international transfers, DeFi liquidity pools. Looking at the chart, we can see USDT maintaining strong price stability around the $0.9994 range. Minor fluctuations happen due to market demand and exchange liquidity, but overall the trend remains extremely stable, which is exactly what investors want from a stablecoin. USDT remains the #1 choice for traders because of speed, availability, and massive market dominance. Next up is USDC, one of the most trusted, regulated stablecoins in crypto. USDC has become extremely popular among institutions, fintech companies, and long-term investors. Unlike many stablecoins, USDC focuses heavily on transparency and reserve auditing. Strong institutional adoption backed by regulated financial systems, growing rapidly in global crypto payments. On the chart, USDC also stays very close to the $1 level. The price movement is usually tighter and smoother because investors see USDC as one of the safer digital dollar options in crypto. USDC is currently one of the strongest stablecoins for long-term holding and secure crypto transactions. Coming in at number 3 is DAI, the top decentralized stablecoin in the crypto ecosystem. Unlike USDT and USDC, DAI is controlled through smart contracts and DeFi protocols instead of one centralized company. Major role in DeFi, popular among Web3 users, built on the Ethereum ecosystem. DAI also maintains strong stability near the $1 level, although it can experience slightly more volatility during extreme market conditions because it's backed by crypto collateral. DAI is perfect for investors who believe in decentralization and the future of DeFi. USDT, massive liquidity trading, USDC, safety and regulation, long-term holding. DIA, decentralization, DeFi users. So guys, these are the top 3 stablecoins dominating crypto in 2026. If you want maximum liquidity, USDT leads the market. If you want stronger regulation and institutional trust, USDC is a top pick. And if you believe in decentralized finance, DAI remains one of the best choices in Web3. Now comment below, which stablecoin do you trust the most in 2026? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more professional crypto analysis right here on Token Space.